When we're doing large implant cases, surgical guides are a must. They just make the whole process much more predictable. We work with our colleagues who analyze and digitize and evaluate the 3D scan. And a guide is created to where I know where to put the implants precisely. The implant is placed precisely where the bone is, where the quality of bone is, and it just makes everybody's life much easier. Patients are much more ease because there's much more confidence. They're much more confident because they know that the long-term benefits of healthy chewing and less pain are going to be a benefit to them for the rest of their life.